about tobacco juice and mason jars of shine. I think about the vices I've let take me over time.
Couldn't even get the camera adjusted before we hooked up. A small one probably, yeah. Third one of the morning. Third one. Can't get no live sunfish. We're gonna throw that drum out there in front of that root pile. About right there. Got one of them jumping fish. Two. We got a spot. I bet it's a spot. Yeah, I can tell just looking at it. Old Kentucky. Bigger crud. I think you're allowed 12 of these things. He swallowed that night crawler way down. These are what compete with our smallmouth bass. Last 25 years, Kentucky bass been coming out of this Bourbon stream. We're eating this one. Look at that. Little pangolin channel cat. Pretty little beautiful feller. Settle down, we'll get you back in there real quick. Multi-species. Still can't get that live bait sunfish no matter what we do. We know they're in here. Thanks for playing, buddy. Nope, we got a small channel cat. Be something good to eat, but we don't need to eat him, so we're going to turn him loose. It's a tasty one. Thanks for playing.
Nature's quite a lady, but you're the one I need.
And flopping in there, viewers. We need a sunfish for live bait. Wasn't a very good cast. I wanted to get out by the current seam. Those are night crawlers. Cool. I don't know, 4 or 5 channel casts. I ain't sure. You can really see the speckles on this one. I hope you can. Thanks for playing, buddy. Down to dunk my head in the river. We hooked up again. Ha ha ha. Another one. That same size. We got salad of them out there. Probably not too far from us. Sweet, man, them were good ones. If I can do this. Not bleeding. What's that? A little bit there. We hope he makes it. Good luck, buddy. Thanks for playing. He should make it. Get him back out there real quick. We have some pretty good taker. Pretty good fish. Maybe 2 pounds. Huh. It's a nicer channel cat. Now watch, it'll get dark later tonight and we'll fish with shiners or right before dark. And we won't catch the fish. Biting in the daytime, these ripples. Ooh, come on, Bill. He likes this. Oh, come on. Put my hand on it. This is the biggest one we caught. Channel cat. Okay, when that happens, hook goes in your ringer. Throw that hook and these needle tips on these little channel cat. Thanks for playing.
I sat there on the bar stool and I looked him in the face. He seemed a little haggard, but did not slow down.